Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check recent searches in Facebook. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Facebook and tap on top search icon. Here you see an option for recent, you click on it. You will be seeing See All button in front of recent, so you have to click on it. Here you can see all my recently searched history. In this way you can see the recently searched history in Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.